Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Siti Yohana. I'm from 5A English Department UMN Al-Muslim Medan. So, English and international language in the world. So, it is important for people to learn the language. By learning English as a second language, students are expected to absorb and keep them with the development of science, technology, and art. When we learn the language, especially English, we must know and understand some important things from the language. We communicate using four skills, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The first is listening. Listening is a skill that we must master is in listening before we speak. This is very important to master first because before we speak, we listen to native speaker and then we speak the way native speaker say a word. The right way to improve the quality of our listening skills is to listen to more record the English conversation or if necessary we watch more films or videos with English subtitle. In order to train our listening a little more, try the films or videos that we see don't use subtitle. Just leave them without subtitles. Just like we watch Indonesian sinetron films, thus we will be trained to improve our skill in listening material. The second skill is speaking. After we mastering the listening skill, if we will create a language product, namely speaking, through speaking, a speaker communicates to convey his aims and objective. In the speaking technique, that is learned in the form of pronunciation of words in English. In addition, the speaking skill is active English, meaning we can speak English. Speaking is one of the skills that must be mastered and really able to practice it in the field with other people as the interlocutor. Next is reading. This is no less important than other skills. Through reading, we can get a lot of information and knowledge reading. In English, reading material usually examines skimming, scanning, and skyping. That's what I know. These three things are very important in reading, especially to get the core point of the text we read or mind idea. One technique that is overused is speed reading or scanning, which is reading English thoroughly in a short period of time and reading the point of each reading. The last one is writing skill. After we go through several skill stages in learning English, the first is listening, then speaking, then reading. We now enter the writing stage. Writing is a skill that creates a product of language, like speaking. Language products that are produced after we are able to write, we are able to convey the intent and the purpose of writing. Say letters, poetry, novel, and other language products. In writing skill, it is a very complicated ability because in writing English, we have to know the grammar and the word structure. If we write wrong grammar or something else, the meaning is contained. So guys, if I am going to do research and I am told to choose one of four English skills, then I will choose to research speaking skills because speaking is a very important skill and it is one of the abilities to carry out conversation and the language. By mastering speaking skill, the learners can carry out conversation with others, give ideas, and change the information with interlocutor. In my experience teaching English, speaking is the biggest problem. There are lack of vocabulary, correct grammar, correct grammar. In addition to uncapable pronunciation made them unable to say something during the speaking class related to their competence of the student speaking skill. Were some indicators which showed that they did not speak accurately and fluently. First, in English class, they rarely answered the question given by the teacher orally. Second, they also spoke with a lot of long pause. Third, they got difficulties to find the appropriate words to create a sentence or experience. Fourth, in grammatical item, when the teacher explained narrative text, when them asked the past form of the word finding and bring, the student did not understand. Therefore, I want to research this speaking skill. I want students to know the number of vocabulary that can easily master with an interesting learning method, and also convince them that learning English is fun. Thank you.